Alright folks, how about we start up the JX85? I haven't started that in a while. Take a quick peek at the camera. Perfect. A little closer. I haven't started this in probably almost a month. So here we go. Already checked the gas and oil. I should check the oil. Yeah, I should. Give the oil a check. Clean all the junk out of here. Yep, she's full. Wipe up all the excess. Alrighty. Let's see how she starts. This has sat for almost a month. I had never touched it. Let's see how she does. Gas and oiled up. Here we go. First time in probably a month this has been run. Now she's starting to clear the cylinder. Oh, it's nice to hear an engine start to run after a month sitting. Quite smoky too. how she does with a restart. And there you be. That was a startup of the JX85, brand new used engine from Archon Power Equipment in Surrey. Cost me $220 for repairs. And as you see with this engine, no leaks. Which is pretty neat. Because I got fed up with the old motor when it was leaking oil. I was going through liter after liter of oil. So, anyways. Sorry about that. I know people on YouTube don't like me because of the stuff I do with my videos, but I'm going to improve that big time sometime. Oh, that rhymed. Well, hope you enjoy the video, and this is Robin Newfield, sign off. And please be more kinder on YouTube. I'm getting tired of these comments, okay? If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Remember that from Disney's Bambi, when what Thumper said to Bambi.